Brackets busted, crappy market conditions. What else can go wrong today? What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Monday, the 21st of March. And your brackets busted. We had a pretty good weekend, except we had our brackets got busted, but we were 3-1 for our picks. But it's an ugly day in the markets. It's been a major whipsaw, very thin volumes, light. We have reversed some of our stuff to longs. Of course, we reversed the Dow to long, and we reversed the NASDAQ to long. We're still short the S&P and still long the Russell. In the meantime, the Dow is down 140. The NASDAQ is down 145. S&P is down 8, and the Russell is down 36. Okay. And crude oil is exploding once again to the upside. Not a major surprise, just kind of unfortunate that we're still shorted. I mean, we're shorted for much higher, but again, we're still short crude. Gold and silver have suddenly, found some support, which we're short both of those as well. Now, again, I would suspect that, the pivot points will come into play here, and you'll probably see a little bit of a pullback. But it's really, we're seeing a market that is just in what we'll call one big churn. Okay, it's really not going anywhere. It's just moving far enough to torture everybody and then move back. But we'll see again. We'll see how it plays. I mean, when it picks a direction, we'll be participating. Okay. Bonds and notes are getting crushed, which we're short both of those. There's a bright spot for the day. And the dollar is higher and we're long. And Bitcoin is getting waxed and we're short. We got copper down, we're short. We've got natural gas down, we're long. And you've got the grain markets, you've got wheat exploding to the upside, which we're still short of 73 cents. The corn and beans are both higher as well, which we're still long both of those. But again, it's just this whole political environment and the things that are going on in Russia and Ukraine that is creating a lot of these major movements, especially in wheat, because it's such a political commodity. So you're going to see a lot of these wild swings, as you know. Although we are short, we still like the grain markets, the wheat, anyways. Especially because we're still long corn and beans. In the protein complex, all three are basically. Well, actually, I take that back. Cattle is lower, which makes sense in this high inflationary point. Hogs are rallying, which also makes sense because, again, people are going to want to eat protein, and the next logical step to the proteins would be the hog market. Okay, but we are short across the board. Cotton is higher, we're long. Coffee is higher, we're short. Sugar is higher, we're long. Cocoa is lower, we are short. And OJ is higher, and we're long. But at the end of the day, it's a challenging, kind of crappy kind of day. We had a lousy morning day trading. Okay. But again, it is what it is. I can't help that. This is why you play the game every day, and that's what they say. They play the national anthem every day. In the meantime, remember our sponsors, Capital Trading Group. And again, they're going along the bottom here. Capital Trading Group for our futures and commodities. Trade Your Brokerage, which will have cryptocurrencies soon. We have a waiting list. If you want the link to get in the waiting list, shoot me an email. I'll send you out the link, and it will also be on the Monday night recording tonight. And, of course, Strategic Wealth Preservation, which is where we do all our gold and our metal shopping, okay, for storage or for delivery. And don't forget our high school program at patreon.com/Bubba Trading. In the meantime, again, have a great day, everybody. It's a tough market. It's a very big of a challenge here because of the lack of activity. Not because it's a tough market. It's tough because it's quiet. And quiet markets make tough markets. In the meantime, have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here again tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update.